Donnie's not here.
Dude, it is snowing in LA.
No, baby Donnie's not here. He wanted the snow.
It is freaking snowing, and it's like legit snow.
Oh my god! No,
Dude, if it sticks to the ground, which it probably won't, it's sticking to the grass.
Ooh, maybe I won't have to work tomorrow.
The end of the world is coming! Dude, that's freaking crazy.
Oh my god.
You can't really see it on the camera though.
No?
Dude,
Totally
the end of the world is happening right now.